What is up, Gun Nation? Little ammo porn for you ammo sexuals out there. I got a bunch of ammo today. I hit the mother load. Different varieties. We got the Tula Max Tech right here. It is brass case. 115 grain, 9mm, $22 on that. You got your Wolf 223. This is on sale actually for $11.99 for October. These 50 BMGs right here, the Norma, the Federal, and the Blazer was all purchased at Dunham's. These 9mm 115 grain TMC rounds, they were purchased at Dunham's. I love this stuff right here. The 308 steel case, right now it's cheap. Pretty cheap. $13 a box. Can't beat that for 308 rounds. We got some of this 223 Red Army. One lonely box of Winchester 5.56 M855 green tip. This is new. I went in today when I picked up this ammo. Dunham started carrying primers. These are the 5.56 small rifle military primers. I was wanting to get some of these and test them out, but during the shortage and everything last year, I was getting ready to purchase these. I'd bought 10,000 rounds of the green tip projectiles to reload, 62 grain. And they came in, but I didn't have a chance to grab those, so I'm going to try to reload some of those. Got another box of 50 cal ammo. I got some of this Winchester 9mm value pack down there. These 22 silver tip ammo, I got that at Walmart. These 308s, got these at Walmart. This my family picked up at a flea market for my birthday, so I got that. And that Winchester box over there, they got that for me for my birthday. We got some of this military classic Wolf ammo, 7.62 by 39, 124 grain hollow points, and full metal jackets. I got 60 rounds of each of that. They had tons of that, guys. They had some more Norma that was in a white box, but they were 95 grain. They had a lot of that. They had a couple more boxes of this 9 here. They're always out of this 308. It was in a box when I went in there, picked it up. I got me 3 or 4 boxes of it. I hear that ammo is going to be in short supply again, and the ammo cost is going to continue to go up because of supply and demand issues. I went into a restaurant earlier and they was like, we were out of straws because the shortage of the demand. Shipping containers and all the ships and stuff is setting off the shore of the United States. I'm sure you can vouch for that. When we went to Florida, I seen several myself for 3 or 4 days that we were there at that particular beach. That's not the only things going on, guys. There's all over the world doing the same thing. I really don't understand why or what's causing this, except they're doing it on purpose. There's also going to be a massive food shortage, so get your ammo, get your food, and be prepared for the unknown, because when that day happens, you need to fight like hell and overcome it. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video out, and comment on what you want me to make videos on. And we'll go from there, guys. We're back in the saddle, doing ammo hunt videos, and I'm going to try to do every day a short clip of me recovering some of this ammo, or going to look for it, and post it once a week, and then have other content up for you guys. So catch y'all later.